Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm She's Pretty Red. Welcome to my channel and welcome back if you are new, and welcome if you are a returning subscriber. So you guys, in today's video, I will be working with Sengled LED. You guys, the company did send over a 2-pack of lights for me to try out for you guys, and I am really excited about working with this company because y'all, I have been needing motion detection lights for the longest, okay, especially in my front yard. I already mainly have it in my backyard, so like I said, I was really excited to get these to put them in my front yard so that way I can be able to see when I'm outside and or somebody walks up on my porch. So with that being said, you guys, I'm going to tell you guys all about the company, give you guys all the details in the 411. So let's go ahead and get into the information. Alright y'all, so just to tell you guys a bit about Sengled LED, you guys, they are a one-stop shop, y'all, for all of your lights and home needs, okay? So when I say that, I say this to say that they are easy, they are convenient, you guys. They are for like entertainment, like if you just want something with different color lights, y'all, you want something for Wi-Fi and or Bluetooth enabled, they have it all, okay? So one thing that I decided to get when I was looking at lights was like I said, something that I knew was going to save me time, energy on my light bill. We need energy sufficient always. I also wanted something that I knew was going to do the job. So when I say do the job, these motion sensor lights are highly sensitive, you guys, to operate in a 100-degree detection angle up to 23 feet, y'all. So my front yard is super big, so I needed something that I knew was going to be able to cover each and every feet. And we all know that motion sensor activated lights also helps enhance security and convenience, you guys. It also helps saves energy, which is a plus. Also, it is waterproof and quality construction, which means it is built to withstand any of the outside weather. So right now I'm just unboxing the light bulbs, just showing you guys everything that comes along with it. You do get an instruction manual that tells you how to securely install your light bulbs, and you do get 2 light bulbs as well. So that's it, and that's all. So right now I will be just showing you guys what it looks like outside of my home to give you guys an example of what it should look like outside of your home at night. Lights on and lights off. Alright you guys, so this is the front of my home with my lights on, you guys. It looks so good. I'm super excited about these lights, you guys. I don't have to worry about walking outside and being super uncomfortable anymore, you guys, and my kids don't have to worry about being outside and being super uncomfortable as well. So you guys, I love it. But I'm also going to show you guys what it actually looks like when it goes off. So just give me a minute and then I will show you guys what the perimeter of my front yard looks like when it is on and when it is off. So this is what the front of my house looks like when the light is on and how far it radiates out. So the lights does stay off during the day, even when in motion. It does have auto on when the light detects motion. The light also stays on for about 90 seconds after motion is detected. Also, the light does have sensitivity all the way up to 100 degrees wide sensor detection angle as well. I love how it goes off, but this is what it looks like in the front of my yard, you guys, when the light goes off. Definitely dark, and like I said, super uncomfortable. So I was definitely in need of these lights. I'm definitely going to leave all of Sengled LED lights information in my description box below, so that way you guys can be sure to check them out. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So in today's video, I will be taking you guys along with us. My kids, all 7 of my kids have dentist appointments, so we're going to be doing that today. Then probably going to go get something to eat and then running a couple of errands. So I'll take you guys along with me. I hope you guys are having a great day. Just wanted to come and get this vlog started. So yeah, let's go. Hi, Ro. Hi, Hello. Hey, Papa. Alright y'all, so right now I'm in the bathroom, about to use the bathroom, but I wanted to come and give you guys an update. The kids are all outside, y'all. Phoenix was not having it. So he just laid on our lap and they brushed his teeth manually, like the regular way, and fluoride and all that clean teeth. So yeah, all the kids are good to go. But it'll get something to eat because I'm hungry, and then go from there, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit, but I'm gonna show you guys the baby belly. My belly button is not big at all. Nice and little. So yeah.
I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drawn, got a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that.
Y'all, it's so nice in here. Really, really nice. So many different like antiques and stuff. Alright y'all, so now we are back in the car. Everybody is asleep, as you can see. Get some gas right now, and then once we get the gas, we're gonna go get some pizza for the kids. And then for us too, so we can eat some pizza. But I'm gonna go home and make some liver and gravy, some rice, maybe some corn, and some peas. Yeah, because I'm hungry, ready to eat. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Y'all, that store was so pretty in there. Like, once me and baby get our dream home, I'm going in there. Like, oh, she was so nice, y'all. Everything in there so nice. And she had these candles burning in her store, which was the her brand of her store or whatever. I'm going to go get those candles too. It smells so good in there. But yeah, be home in a minute. Alright, y'all, so we went and picked up the pizza. So we ended up getting 3 pizzas. So yeah, we have enough for everybody. And yeah, y'all, so once we get home, the kids are going to clean the van out, y'all, because this van needs to be cleaned out ASAP. Seriously. Y'all, so I'm sitting outside. I took my shoes off. Your girl is relaxing outside on the ground. My husband is over there sitting in the chair, but I'm relaxing. But y'all, this feels so good out here. The kids is back there cleaning the van like I told y'all they was going to be doing. Clean terribly. But it's hot outside. It's hot out here, but I'm about to cook in a little while. I'm about to cook at 7 o'clock. It's about to be 7 o'clock, so I'm finna cook in a little while. So I just wanted to stretch out on this ground because your girl is out of breath. I feel so fat. I'm not even fat, but I feel fat, you know? But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys me cooking. And then once I cook, finish dinner, show you guys the kiddos for a little bit. Then I am going to end this video for today. But I'm gonna show y'all the kids. I'll probably end up letting them come out and play for a little while. But yeah, that's it. That's it. That's all I have to tell y'all right now. So I'll come back a little later.
Yeah. Mommy, open up, open my eyes. Mommy, do it. Let me do it.
On the Brandon James one,
Yeah.
higher size didn't matter. You could be on
Let me do it.
team whatever.
Good job.
It's my turn. It's my turn.
Oh, that better do it.
Mommy, Papa. Mommy, do it.
Let me get Carol. Y'all back up. Let me get Carol. Carol. What daddy gave my baby. I got a lollipop. Carol. Carol. Him got him a lollipop. Papa, is your lollipop good, buddy? Is it good?
But it's so absorbent, you can use less.
Gee.
Enjoy it though with Charmin.
Alright, y'all, so it's 7:10, so I'm about to cook dinner. I came in the house and I blew bubbles with my kids because, y'all, honestly, I'm tired. I'm nauseous. I feel like I'm finna throw up, honestly. But we're gonna push through. I'm gonna get some water, drink some water, and then cook dinner. We're gonna get this started so I can get done, so I can get into bed. Because tomorrow we have to take a minute to her doctor appointment, so yeah. So let's go and get started on dinner. Alright, y'all, so here's the liver. I got 3 packs. Here we got for $2.67 from the meat market that you guys saw us to go to. Got my clean frying pan. I'm going to go in with some canola oil so that I can fry it in. Alright, so we're going to put this on 4. Alright, y'all, so I did put some seasoned salt on my liver. That's the only thing that I am using to season this right now because I know you can actually over season liver. So this is all I'm going to be using. Yeah, that's the grease, baby. It's getting hot. So comment below. Back up from it. So comment below if you guys like liver and what do you like to put on your liver. I'm so glad I don't look the way I feel right now. I lost all strength that I had, y'all. But I'm sitting down still cooking. So I guess I'll just show you guys once it's done. Want to come update y'all. So yeah, y'all. So this is going to be a side that I'm going to be cooking to go with the liver dinner tonight. And then I'm going to make in some rice and some gravy. So I got my water going for my rice. Here is all the liver that I cooked, y'all. I put this in some gravy. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go in with a spoonful of this chicken base just to season my rice up just a little bit. I'm not gonna do much because I don't want it to be salty. Yeah, so here's my gravy. Still cooking, but I just made it from scratch. Flour, water, onions, and that's it. Whatever was left at the bottom of my pan once I dumped that oil, that's what I use to make gravy from scratch. Put this in it in a little while, but right now we're letting our rice boil, and all I put in here was, like I said, that base and some black pepper. And so here is the rice, the liver. I didn't put some liver inside of the gravy, but here's the gravy. I'm just letting everything, tender up. So yeah. Empty and done.
Errands for sure, but someplace else, and I can't quite remember. And this number.
292.13. What is it?
I don't know. So my whole life, I've had this little voice inside that's driven me forward. It's helped me on tests, gave me ideas, it steered me well every time. This.
Y'all, so me and
Whatever
babe,
these voices are,
we're in the bed and we're watching
they've been whispering real loud since
a
I've been
Netflix series. We're on
hear
episode
things.
2.
I see things.
I forgot what is this called?
Those whispering voices, they're telling me to look at this.
The Midnight Club, y'all. So if you are looking for something new to get into, check this out, because we're on episode 2 so far. We're on episode 2 or 3. 3. Yeah, 3. We're on episode 3, y'all, and it's so good so far. And yeah, so we're about to go to bed.
Got a lot to process.
But I just wanted to come in the video for tonight. It's 1:22 in the morning, and we're literally up watching this.
Besides what?
It's so good. But anyway, good night. Love you guys.